Hello, just making a quick video. I'm getting bitched at about not having the sound of these Cobra neighbor haters on video. So, just slip-on neighbor haters with the catalytic converter still installed. So, haven't modified that yet, but as soon as doesn't affect my warranty or whatever, or even sooner, I'm going to cut that thing out. So what I find is they're a good low tone, definitely louder than stock by double or more. And then they don't have the crack. But I think once you get rid of the catalytic converter material, they'll have more crack to them. But they're definitely huge and good flow through them. I use the Harley tuner to tune them after I put them on. If I can find that thing. Yeah, so I just use my Screamin Eagle tuner. I use the stock tuning at first. Well, the one from that's already programmed in. You just put in pipes and air cleaner. And then I took the bike out for a ride. I'm at about 1,200 feet. I took it out for a ride and then to about 4,000 feet. Let it tune itself. And then program that tune into it. So that's what it has right now. Anyway, the bike's cold. I'm just going to start for a couple of seconds and I have a little microphone here and hopefully it'll get a good idea of the sound, not all distorted like a lot of... They're loud, so my iPhone won't just distort, so I'll try that thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, you got neutral. Gotta try that again with that recorder running. Recording. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Neutral, check. On. Flip the throttle a couple times just real quick. Yeah, so it's hard to tell over YouTube how fucking loud they are, but they're loud, you know. That's why I might have my garage door closed, because I do have neighbors here and they don't hate me yet, but they probably can get there. So, want real loud pipes? You can get louder pipes. My friend has Vance and Hines, another guy has the Reinhardts. They're both louder. But in saying that, they have their catalytic converter cut out. So once you cut these out, it might be louder than them. I don't know. But either way, they're a good option if you just want to slip on a couple of exhausts. And they're light too. The Vance and Hines are a lot heavier. These are noticeably lighter. Of course, maybe less quality is one way to look at it, but less weight and they're loud. So, I mean, they're not going to rust out on me. They're going to be fine. I have 10,000 kilometers on the bike and there's no problems with them. They don't rattle or come loose or rust or nothing like that. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.